Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up fractional shares with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up fractional shares with Charles Schwab, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Charles Schwab website. If you are not already a member, click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required personal information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the Trade tab at the top of the page. Hover over the Trade tab and select Stock and ETFs from the drop-down menu. In the trading interface, enter the stock symbol you wish to purchase. Next, find the option that allows you to buy fractional shares. Select the amount of money you wish to invest in the stock. Review the estimated number of fractional shares you'll receive. Check for any additional fees or commission details. Once satisfied, proceed to click on the Buy button. Review your order details carefully before confirming the transaction. Confirm the purchase to complete your fractional share investment. After the purchase, navigate back to your dashboard to view your holdings. Monitor your fractional shares regularly to track performance. Now you have successfully set up fractional shares with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.